Good Hope, you have 17 minutes. Cullman, you have 21 minutes to get to a safe spot. I went ahead and extended it a little bit and to include Falkville. If it does hold together, you have about 35 minutes. So again, if you're in southern Morgan County, you are not under the tornado warning, but if the system holds together, there's a chance it could get into southeastern Morgan County over the next 45 minutes. So you need to be in your safe spot right now in Morgan County just in case, but especially into Cullman County, you are under that tornado warning. Looks really good on the radar. It's winding up. You know, it's got a good inflow notch here on the southwest side. In other words, there's a lot of energy getting forced inside the storm to help sustain itself. Let's do another storm track here. Yeah, we're 15 more minutes in Cullman. We're just kind of counting it down here. I mean, you've got plenty of time to get to your safe place. Southwest Point in 15 minutes, South Vinemont in 18 minutes, Eva in 30 minutes, and Fairview in 30 minutes. And we'll have to see if this gets extended into southern Morgan County. We're going to get everyone in Morgan County the heads up right now, just in case. Go ahead and get to your tornado safe spot. And this includes Falkville, Eva, Cold Spring. If you're along County Highway 45, if you're along Alabama Highway 67, that runs basically from near Joppa up toward Floret. You need to be in a safe spot. And also, even into Somerville, it may just stay just to your south and east, but even, I would say Somerville to the south and east, you need to be in a safe spot just in case this tornado warning does get extended into Morgan County. But as for now, Cullman County, Vinemont, downtown Cullman, just hang out another 20 to 25 minutes and this system will be past you and we can give you guys the all clear for the short term. Okay, National Weather Service continues the tornado warning for Cullman County, still moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The tornado was near Crane Hill. That's the only tornado warning we have so far in our viewing audience is Cullman. Everyone else, just some locally heavy rainfall. We have a severe thunderstorm over Colbert County. Yeah, it's still holding together.
Ben, we're getting word from Wallace State College. Of course, they had some damage over there at Hanceville. Yeah, still got some down power lines, and of course the campus getting some damage from the storms that moved across the area today. Wallace State is going to be closed for tomorrow. That's April 28th, Thursday, April 28th. Wallace State College will be closed.
The rotation is definitely there. I put a couple arrows on there. You can see where I drew the circle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of those arrows, and I'm going to do a little bit of a closer vantage point here. Okay, we do have some structural damage near Crane Hill. That's confirmed by the National Weather Service. So we very well could have a tornado on the ground here just to the south and west of downtown Cullman. Let's see, let's do another storm track here. Let me zoom out just a little bit more. This is moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. All right, 16 minutes, Cullman. You know, maybe we'll get lucky and this thing will pass just to the west of downtown Cullman, but I'm not going to make any bets on that. But, you know, we'll see. West Point, 16 minutes. South Vinemont, 20 minutes. Falkville, if it holds together, would be in the path of this. Okay, let me do another update here. We got another scan in there. Yeah, very heavy rainfall in downtown Cullman right now. You're not going to see this one coming.
Apparently a Birmingham television station is reporting that there is a wall cloud in Cullman, that they can see it.
Okay, all right. Okay, the tornado warning has been extended into Morgan County, so that makes sense till 3:15. We're talking another 32 minutes here.
Ben, that same television station in Birmingham is saying that they can see the funnel, but they cannot tell if it's down on the ground.
And Crane Hill is located south and west of Cullman. It's south of 278. It's really right on Smith Lake. You know, of course, Smith Lake is huge, but it's on the south side of Smith Lake down there in Cullman County. But, you know, the system was holding together. This is, you know, meteorological speaking, you know, it's very good, you know, as far as the signature we're looking at on the radar. But Cullman, it's raining very hard right now, and another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes, this will be by you, and then we'll really concentrate on southern Morgan County. If you're in Eva, if you're in Falkville, you need to be in a safe place. We have, looks like a tornado on the ground in Cullman now. Trying to confirm that. It's moving to the north and east at 50 miles per hour. South Vinemont, Eva, in 16 minutes. In Somerville, if you're in Somerville, you have 27 minutes to get to your safe place. This is a confirm, or it looks like we have multiple reports of a decent tornado now moving through Cullman, headed towards southern Morgan County. That's the main storm we're concerned about right now. Providence in 10 minutes, Dyer's Crossroads in 8 minutes. We have confirmation from trained weather spotters of a tornado that's just 8 miles southwest of Cullman, moving northeast at 50, heading into southern Morgan County. And I'm quoting the Weather Service here. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Ben, the National Weather Service is saying there is a wedge on the ground right now in Cullman County. Somebody else reported that their parents can see the tornado on the ground as well. They are close to the downtown area in Cullman.
Okay.
And I was monitoring the weather chat, and they were saying that there may be, the radar may actually be picking up some debris from that tornado there in Cullman. That armor radar may be picking up some of the debris.
I know it's a little far south, everybody, but just looking at that signature right there, that's basically classic there over Cullman.
A spotter reporting a tornado on the ground in Good Hope right now. That coming from the National Weather Service.
Yeah, this is basically, to me, it sounds like a tornado emergency here for downtown Cullman. You need to be in a safe place. You need to be in a safe place right this very second. You do not need to wait one more second. You need to get into a bathroom, a basement, a closet, an interior room, away from all windows. Put as many walls between you and the outside as possible if you are in Eva, because this is a dangerous, dangerous storm. We have a hook. Yeah, I can see it from a mile away. We have a hook over downtown Cullman right now. We could be seeing some significant damage here in Cullman County, and unfortunately for our friends down there and for the folks in southern Morgan County, it is headed your direction. It says 1 minute in Cullman, but
probably cannot see the entire impact.
This is some video that we're getting from ABC 3340 that is on the internet right now, and let me see if I can back this up a little bit. James Spann, their meteorologist, this is actually a look at the storms, the tornadoes down in Cullman County right now. This is a live stream on Ustream that they are showing, and you'll see the storms. There's the tornado right there that they're talking about in Cullman County. I don't know if you can see that or not, Ben, but
Oh, no doubt.
that is the tornado in Cullman County right now.
Let's go back to that one since it's now getting into southern Morgan County. Yeah, you guys, that right there, over downtown Cullman on 278, that signature right there is something that you would see in a meteorology book. Jerry, if you take a look at that signature there, it's a hook. I mean, it's sitting right over downtown Cullman right now. And if you are in southern Morgan County, I just please get into your tornado safety area right now. This is, I believe this is the strongest signature we've seen, even with what we had earlier this morning. This is by far the strongest signature we've seen this entire event. Let me do a storm track on here.
And once again, there's the tornado. This is coming from ABC 3340. James Spann, the chief meteorologist down there, was on the air, and I've zoomed in on this just a little bit, but that is the tornado that they are talking about in Cullman County right now. And Ben, that's the same storm that you're showing on Armor radar right now.
It's you know, from a meteorology standpoint, it doesn't really get, you know, much better than that as far as the signature is concerned. I mean, it just doesn't, and that's unfortunate because we've got, you know, confirmed tornado, you know, on the ground here. But now we're really concerned about southern Morgan County if you're in Eva, Ryan Crossroads, and Florette. Let's do another storm track here. Eva, you have 8 minutes. Fairview, you have 4 minutes. Okay. All right, there's your latest storm track here. Gold Ridge in 2 minutes, Mountain View 2 minutes, Fairview in 5 minutes, County Line 6 minutes, Eva in 8 minutes, Wynn Crossroads and Ryan Crossroads in 13 to 14 minutes. Storm holds together, then it would be in your neighborhood here in the next 20 minutes. Go ahead.
And Ben, there's the storm that we were talking about. Once again, this courtesy of ABC 3340 down in Birmingham. This was what they picked up on their sky cam in Cullman. This is a tornado. And I don't know if you can actually see it with it being that small, but there was a debris field down around the base of this tornado.
I mean, that's pretty big, pretty big.
Yeah, this there's going to be significant damage with this storm, I would think, Ben.
Mm-hmm. Especially, it went right over top of downtown Cullman.
And then there, it's actually spinning off a couple of other little tornadoes. Now they're going back to radar, and that's Chief Meteorologist James Spann. But
Up 231 there is the latest storm track here. You know, County Line 2 minutes, Ryan Crossroads, Wynn Crossroads, Center Grove, Hogjaw, Apple Grove, and Ruth within the next 11 minutes. You know, that's about as good as it gets as far as, you know, looking at a potential tornado.
yeah, we're getting a report now from somebody who apparently getting information to the National Weather Service. Their parents took shelter in the Cullman County Courthouse basement when this thing came through, Ben. They're saying that the courthouse in Cullman County took a direct hit from the tornado. And Ben just got word from Baileyton in Cullman County, emergency management reporting a tornado on the ground.
You know, right now all the recovery efforts in Gunnersville, they're being suspended as this tornado in Cullman County moves into Marshall County. And boats that were on the water surveying damage and helping out there being brought in from the lake.
Hebron, 21 minutes. Okay, we just got another update there.
Is a tornado. We do have a, I believe, a photograph, This is courtesy of ABC 3340 that they captured with their Skycam.